What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon and I hope you're having a great day. Today's gonna be a super quick video, guys. We are checking out a package from WORKSHARP sharpeners. The gents over there actually got in contact with me and was wondering if I would like to check out one of the sharpening kits that they offer. I've never owned a WORKSHARP sharpening kit or any of their other products, so I'm kind of curious on what's inside this. I actually have no idea what is in this box, so let's get right to it. We've got the tried and true Benchmade Anthem here to unbox this bad boy. It says Elite here on the box, so I'm super curious to see what is inside it. All right. So first thing I see here is It's About Damn Time Precision Adjust Elite. I think this is just kind of like a small pamphlet that comes along with it. Pretty cool. Wow. Okay. I am thoroughly impressed. So this thing comes with a carrying case. This is like hardcore. Let's take a look. So this is the Precision Adjust knife sharpener. It's the Elite version, so I don't know what Elite means, but let's take a look here. I do have a KME back there, so we'll see if this is actually better than the KME. Has a super nice, again, clamshell box. Oh, wow. Okay. You open it up and you're greeted with some sharpening stones. Are those even stones? So this actually comes with a strap. Wow, this thing is like literally buckled in. Holy cow, okay. WORKSHARP, what did you send me? This is sweet. Got some foam padding and then an instruction manual with a 3-year warranty on this bad boy. Guys, I have no idea how to use this sharpening system. From what I can tell, it's very similar to the KME. Again, this is just an unboxing. So there is the base, I'm assuming. You've got more product information, and then I assume this is gonna be the actual piece that lets you adjust your angle when you go to sharpen. Okay, yeah, that just snaps right in, super easy. Creating incredibly sharp knives, handle with care. And then you just slap the knife right in there and tighten it up. That's what's included, wow. Yeah, WORKSHARP has done an amazing job in terms of impressing me with what is included in the unboxing experience. I mean, this clamshell, I can use this for a ton of other things too. I'll probably leave this out on my bookshelf. I'll have to look into it, guys, and this is kind of like just a quick little unboxing that I wanted to do of the WORKSHARP Precision Adjust knife sharpener. So yeah, a full review will be coming with this thing pretty soon. I'd probably give this like a solid month before I actually post a live review on the channel. I'll put it through its paces, see what it's all about. You have a bunch of different options in terms of grit. Wow, this is thoroughly impressive. Thank you so much to WORKSHARP sharpeners for sending out this for me to check out, and I'm super hyped to have this in my hands. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I know it was a super quick video. If you liked this video, go ahead, throw me a thumbs up. If you disliked it, throw me a thumbs down, and I promise to you I'll do better next time. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.